Hi, Wendy here from wendybottrell.com, and today our topic is practice these 10 habits of fit and healthy people. Um, we found this quote, and it's our body isn't an adversary that we must diet and exercise into submission, but a remarkable biological system that adapts to the way we eat, train, and live. And this is important every day, but especially during these times we're living in right now. So let's get into it and learn the 10 habits. So it is our belief that developing good habits goes a long way to creating a fit and healthy life. We'd love to hear your comments in the section below or questions. So habit number 1, to exercise or not. That's the question. So the answer, in our opinion, it's not an option. Healthy people get exercise on a regular basis. They rarely wonder if they should go to the gym or not. They just go. Their why keeps them inspired each and every day. And we've written multiple times about finding your why. You can check it out at wendybottrell.com to find those blog posts. They work out with gusto, some simply because they love it, and for some it's simply a necessary thing for good health, a great body, disease prevention, and overall well-being. Because at the end of the day, we're talking about people being healthy, and that's what this is about, being healthy. Overall well-being, it's really important. Number 2, moderation. Healthy people enjoy an occasional indulgence. However, instead of eating a whole cake or a whole slice of cake, they eat 1 or 2 bites. Some may occasionally order French fries or something like that, but it's only on a rare occasion. They pay attention to the portion sizes and avoid mindless eating that can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Their typical diet is filled with life-affirming, real organic foods that support their health, improve their energy levels, and prevent chronic disease. Number 3, setting priorities. Health-conscious people know how to set priorities. They don't look for excuses to skip a workout. Instead, they make those workouts a priority, even if that means skipping an evening out or postponing some other activity that interferes. Exercise always takes a priority in their schedule. In fact, their workouts are scheduled just like any other important event in their lives. Number 4, goal setting. Healthy people set goals that they wish to achieve, whether it's to maintain a certain weight or to lift a certain weight or to improve some aspect of their fitness and health level. They set goals and plan what needs to be done to achieve them. Number 5, set time for relaxation. Again, healthy people set aside time for relaxation and plan activities to help them de-stress. They understand that self-care is not only about the things you do, but it's also about the things you don't do. Too much work, the hustle and bustle of life and everyday stress that results from a busy lifestyle must be counteracted with enough relaxation so that the stress does not become an impact on good health. Healthy people understand that relaxation is a reset button, and they take the time to push that button regularly. Number 6, they stay in touch with their bodies. Healthy people are in touch with their bodies. They pay attention to what their body and their mind need as they strive for optimal health and well-being. And number 6, so we'll just go back for 1 second. Number 6, this is something that really needs to be an intention. You need to practice noticing what's going on in your body and how you're feeling. Number 7, social relationships. Healthy people strive for healthy social interactions and interpersonal relationships. They know that their emotional state and overall fulfillment plays a key role in their health. And we've seen that over this last 18 months. The social isolation is very bad for people's health and well-being, mind, body, and spirit. So social relationships are very important. Habit number 8, sleep. This is the forgotten pillar of wellness. And a big part of self-care is getting enough sleep every single night. Health conscious people strive to do so because it helps them be healthier and function at their very best throughout the day. And I heard in a podcast once, many years ago, uh, Rob Wolf state, if most people just got more sleep, most illnesses would just disappear. That's how important sleep is. So, really important to focus on that. Number 9, hydration. Drink water. Drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. And another way to think about it is take your weight and divide it in 2, and that use that half in ounces and drink that many ounces per day. Aside from flushing out harmful toxins from your body, it can also get rid of excess heat. In addition, enough amounts of water can also help you maintain your weight, prevent constipation, and even help you think better. You're not sick, you're thirsty. Don't treat thirst with medication. And that's from Dr. Very hard name to pronounce, Batman Galdi. And I've heard for many years that many people go to the fridge to get food or a snack when in fact they're thirsty. And the idea is to drink a glass of water and then wait 20 minutes. If after 20 minutes in your glass of water you're still hungry, then go ahead and eat because you really are hungry. Most people will find that they won't even think about eating after the glass of water. And number 10, breathing. Feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and tired, need to add a little calm and relaxation into your day? Well, lucky for us, there's a way to bring calm to our bodies. And it's all about how you breathe. In fact, you can energize or relax your body just by changing the way you breathe. Pranayama helps correct poor breathing patterns that can help pull your body out of fight or flight mode. It helps you to relax and feel more balanced. So how do you do it? Lie down with your back on the floor. You don't have to lie down, but it does help. Keep your knees bent, keep your feet hip width apart and feet flat on the ground. With your mouth slightly open and your tongue just behind your teeth, inhale slowly, feeling your chin raise ever so slightly toward the ceiling. Breathe in for 6 to 8 counts, nice and slow. Now, exhale through your nose for 3 to 4 counts, half as long as you inhale, slowly returning your head to its starting position. In just a few breaths, you will notice your thoughts start to slow down and your body begin to relax. This form of breathing helps relieve anxiety, anger, agitation, and even sleep disturbances. So how to begin all these habits, right? Start where you are. So what we mean by that is pick one habit and practice that habit until it becomes your healthy habit. Then pick another habit idea and practice that until your healthy habit, and so on down the list. Now, over the course of a year or so, improving your habits, you will begin to see a new you. So we'd appreciate hearing from you. Share any ideas, comments, or questions in the area below, and be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. We'd appreciate it if you would like and share if you found value here today. We do invite you to subscribe to our channel. We want to thank you for connecting with us. My name is Wendy Bottrell, and you can find out more about us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks. Bye for now.